Hello and welcome to Stock Market Guruji. We have already uploaded one video regarding the prospects of Indian Oil as a share market powerhouse in the coming days. I hope you have already watched the video, and if not, you can go to our videos, and from there you can get the first video of our channel. Then coming back to Angel One is the premium demat account that I prefer, and I have been using it for more than couple of years. And the best thing about Angel One is that it's so much transparent in every transaction, so you can use it free of cost. And yeah, the description has been given in the description of this video, from where you can get the link and you can download the app. So I'll be recommending Angel One for all of you. Please get the link from the description. So I have been seeing in the recent past that there is a trend to misguide people about the stock market. You have seen, probably you have seen that every day certain channels, they are like lottery lag gaya, शेयर मार्केट में धमाका होने वाला है, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़, कितने सारे like misleading news they are providing, and they are enticing people to buy that stock. इसके रीज़न ये हो सकता है कि दे आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग दो स्टॉक्स इन देयर पोर्टफोलियो, एंड इफ पीपल परचेज द स्टॉक्स, उसमें से उन लोगों का ही फायदा होगा. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू हैव अ बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग. किसी के बात सुन के जस्ट ब्लाइंडली आप निवेश मत करो. डोंट इन्वेस्ट बाय जस्ट लिसनिंग टू अदर्स एडवाइस, एंड यूट्यूब में ज़्यादातर एडवाइस फेक होता है. आई एम नॉट क्लेमिंग दैट दिस चैनल इज़ लाइक, यहाँ पर मैं जो भी स्टॉक्स के बारे में बात करूँगा वो मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस जो भी मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में है या जिसके बारे में आप गॉट पर्टिकुलर इन्फॉर्मेशन, ओनली दो शेयर्स आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ यू. एंड once I have a share in my portfolio, I try to gather every knowledge about that share, and I'll be just sharing my knowledge about that particular share with you. But in YouTube you'll be seeing plenty of videos के बम विस्फोट की तैयारी, आप देख लेना, लॉटरी लग गया, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़, ज़बरदस्त तेजी आएगी कल, इस शेयर में आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो 2 दिन में 2 साल में करोड़पति बन जाओगे. These are all actually misleading things. आप ट्रैप में फंस जाओगे. So I would request you not to listen to such advices. There are definitely certain YouTube channels which provide actual information without dramatizing anything. Listen to those things, but धमाका होने वाला, बम विस्फोट होगा, इस टाइप के बात में आप मत सुना कीजिए. एंड there are channels, आप देखते रहे, एक दिन बात करते हैं कि आप इन्फोसिस बाई करो, नेक्स्ट डे आप बोलते हैं कि आप इन्फोसिस को छोड़ो, इस शेयर को खरीदो. एंड दे आर अल्यूरिंग यू कि मतलब आप ये शेयर खरीदोगे तो 5 साल में आप करोड़पति बन जाओगे, आप 10 करोड़ आपका हाथ में आ जाएगा. इस टाइप का कुछ भी नहीं होता है. शेयर मार्केट में करोड़पति 2 साल में बनने का चांस अगर 0.001% है, तो बाकी 99.999% चांस है कि यू विल लूज एवरी एसेट. So it's better to be cautious. Prevention is always better than cure. So before coming to the stock market, I would request you to have every detailed idea about a stock. उसके बाद ही आप just come to purchase that stock. Now I had promised that in every video I'll be talking about one share. In today's video I'm going to recommend one share, which is again government backed company. So what is that share? I'm coming here. This is IRFC. IRFC, आपको पता है कि IRFC Indian Railway Finance Corporation is again a government company. And to know about this, we are coming to ticker tape में let's come to IRFC and get the idea about its stock. One disclaimer I would like to give, that it is already there in my portfolio since the IPO was launched. A few months after the IPO was launched, I had purchased this stock. So IRFC is presently trading at 23.70, and in the last trading day there was a hike of 3.04%, that is only 0.7 rupees in that stock. Why am I suggesting or recommending this stock? See, the forecast, 100% analysts, they have even though there is just one analyst, but ticker tape, it's the recommendation of ticker tape to buy this stock. See, stock has been generating better return on equity than the bank FD. So it's a very good safe stock. As I've already mentioned, government stocks are always your safe bets. You cannot expect like a jump of करोड़पति बन जाओगे आप 2 साल में, इस टाइप का नहीं होता है. बट एट द सेम टाइम गवर्नमेंट स्टॉक्स will ensure the safety of your assets. Then coming back to the holdings, which another parameter that I would always like to see. Just check June 2021 total promoter holding was 86.36, September made 86.36. But interesting thing is this FIIs, once the FIIs get foreign institutional investors, they get interest in a particular stock, there are high possibilities that the value of that stock will rise in the coming days. Now 0.86% in June quarter, but in September quarter you can see that has jumped to 0.2%, that is 1.06%. So that's a very good thing about this stock. So regarding holding, this is a very good stock. Let's see, as I have already mentioned that the IPO was launched somewhere around February, this year, February 21. If you can check maximum share, देखिए maximum chart pattern, February 21 this IPO was launched. Its initial price was something around 26%, उसमें से कुछ discount में ये launch हुआ था, and since then it has been struggling, but it has a very good future in the coming days, and that is quite evident from the holding patterns of the FIIs. Then news, if there is any news, particularly IRFC looking to diversify revenue streams. As I have already mentioned, IRFC posts 51% year-to-year jump in net profit in Q2 of financial year 2022. So this stock, even though is presently at a consolidating phase, that's coming days you can see a huge jump in this stock. And as you know already, even 1 year has not passed since the arrival of this stock in the share market, but what they have done, see, 0.77% on a stock of just around 24 rupees, 23-24 rupees, but they are giving a dividend of 0.77, उसके पहले 1.05, मतलब just after the launch they had paid an interim dividend, और उसके बाद within few months they had paid a dividend of 0.77. So it has not yet crossed 1 year, but still it has already given around 2 rupees, 1.82 rupees stock dividend, which means it has nearly it gives a dividend at around, we can say around 8 to 9%, which is quite higher than the FD. That is the reason I am suggesting this stock. And there is one more very important news that happened just 1 day before, that is IRFC becomes the first CPSE to list green offshore bonds at Indian stock exchanges. So this is another good news about IRFC, and I would definitely suggest you to buy IRFC. But one thing, like, it's still a penny stock trading at around 24 rupees per share. So I would request you not to purchase too many quantities of IRFC at one go. You can purchase just 50 or 100 shares at one go, and you can see the move for a couple of months, and after that you can take a decision. If the up move is there, then you can purchase another 100 or 50 units, and gradually seeing the result in every quarter you can progress. But if anyone tells you that आप अगर IRFC खरीदोगे तो 1 साल में करोड़पति बन जाओगे, तो you are just fooling yourself. Do not listen to such advices. IRFC is never going to give you that much return. But yes, in coming years, maybe 2 years, 5 years, if you are a long-term investor, in the coming days, coming years, you can see a gradual change which may result in the stock getting a value over 100 rupees in maybe 3-4 years from now. So I would request you to buy IRFC, but with a precaution that do not buy too many quantities at one go. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I would be again suggesting you another video. And as I have already mentioned, please do not be misled by the foolish ideas some YouTube channels are propagating, and they are luring you to stock market, and they are actually dumping their own shares to you. so that you are allowed to purchase those bullshit stocks. So just stay away from such misleadings, and we'll be seeing you in the next video very soon. And please, if you don't have any demat account, then you can check the description of this video. There I have provided the link of the Angel One app, which I feel is the safest app presently at the market. And if you want any further investment, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you. I'm winding up here, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you.